I think you should take
you.
some.
No,
Take
thank
some
you.
home with you.
No, thank you. I'm just
Yeah,
hanging
because
out
I
there.
mean, we got some type of issue or something.
No.
Oh, okay. I need you to move out this spot because it seemed like you pressed up on what he got going on.
Your boyfriend?
Yes.
Or,
I think you should take some fries. You want some? You want some?
No, thank you.
I think you should take some.
Can
take
you
some home with you.
Hey, they're like falling ill. There's one in
No,
my lap.
I think you should take some. Take some. You want a fry?
No,
Do you want a fry?
no.
If it goes good with your hair's fried.
Karen alert. Karen alert.
This was my coffee, by the way.